Hey guys, I'm back. I'm in a different space, as you can tell. And today we are going to be setting up our Twitch channel. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Kyle. I go by I am Triple G Online. Today we're going to show you how to brand your Twitch channel and everything you need to do to make it look a little cooler, like your offline screen, your panels, and your channel banner. As well, we're going to show you how to set up your socials. Just before we jump into it, I just want to remind you guys that I do stream on Twitch every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. The link will be below and this beautiful thing right here. Also, if you really like this content, please give a like and a sub and show your friends. All right, let's get to it. There's three main things on Twitch that you really want to check out, and that is your offline screen, channel banners, and your panels, as well as some other neat stuff like adding your socials to your About Me side part. Okay, so the first things first you want to do is go to your little icon. It should be your display picture. Mine's right here. And you want to hit channel. So this is my channel, guys. Welcome. It's gone through a lot of rigorous overdoing, and this is how I'm going to help you guys set up without having to do it a million times like I did. Just want to go to your About section. So the first thing you want to do is let's go and do your channel banner. With that, you want to go to your settings, and your profile banner is where we want to go. So when you're doing your profile banner, it's the thing that's going to be at the very top of your channel. What I have done is I made mine super simple, and I've just put a logo on the one side, and then when I stream on the other side, I made it all in Photoshop, which Photoshop that I got is a free one called paint.net. If you just go into Google, you can probably find it. I got a bunch of different plugins as well. So let's move on. Fight the planet! Just want to let you know that the specs for the banner is 1200 by 408 wide. I just put kind of my logo in it, and when I'm live, with the channel banner, you do want to just keep it very simple. Keep that space kind of clear, that space that's right here, because that's where your highlights and your channel trailer is going to go. The second thing I think you should do to set this up is to keep on with your little theme and your branding. Go to channel and videos in your settings, and this is where you're going to kind of choose the color scheme of your channel. Choose it to whatever you want. I chose this little teal blue, and I kind of run with it with all of my stuff. You can generate a regular background, but trust me, don't do it. It's just going to be that color that you choose, and then your name. Make your own. Put a little creativity into it. Third thing is doing an offline screen. Basically, you just want to make sure that people know that you're not online, and instead of having the Twitch default one saying that you're not online, you make something else that shows your socials. So I've made mine. I made it very simple. I just put my YouTube and my Twitter on it, and then I am Triple G at the moment is offline. Some simple text and everything. And with the offline screen, you want to make it to the size of 1920 by 180. It's about the size of a screen, and that's what Twitch likes. You save it in your whatever Photoshop program that you use, and then you go to your Twitch, add it up here, and it should pop up on here if you are not hosting anybody, which I am currently hosting somebody.
I want to fix up my
so it would pop up there. You can also just do this, and you can check it. If I don't want to see it, then you don't want to see it. So you want to go back to your settings where you found the video banner, and you want to go all the way down to the very bottom where it says social links. This is going to be right here. These little links, this is going to be where you input them and put them on your channel in the About. So you want to title them all. So I am Triple G's YouTube channel, and then you want to make sure that you do the proper HTTPS code and URL. And it should just type it in, do la la la. I already have mine set up, so I'm very sorry I can't show you, but it's super easy to add. Like I'll just put in YouTube, and then you type in your URL, like blah 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 blah, and then hit add, and it should go there. The only thing that's a little dumb about it is the one that you want on the top has to be the first one that you do. So the first one I wanted to have on my page is the I Am Triple G's YouTube, which is where you guys are watching this. Okay, so now we are almost done. We are about to do your panels. The panels are kind of cool things that let people explore who you are and all of your other social things that are happening. So I've geared my panels to my branding. And remember, just keep everything simple. Mine are very simple, I believe. They might look a little advanced, but they're very simple. It's just a text with an icon and a border. So all these are very easy to make. You can make them on your Photoshop like I did here. This is just the easiest thing. What I even did was I sized it to 800 by 200 pixels. That works for this kind. If you want to have just the strips like I do, this is how you do it. But you basically can put like a whole picture on there as long as it's not over what the Twitch minimum says, or maximum says, sorry. So it does tell you what the minimum of size is 320 pixels wide. Clearly 800 works. Just saying. But yeah, you basically want to just add the image. You don't need to put a title because the image right there is the title. If you have a bunch of these because you have done them in Photoshop, or if you've gotten a friend or you've paid for them, this is the easiest way to do it. Basically, it's the same as doing your socials in the About Me up above. You want to do the URL code in the links, and then you do the image, and you basically just save it. So I'm going to put the, and then take it away. I changed it, submitted it, it's saved. And then you want to go back to here. Bam, nothing there. And then I click it and the podcast would show up. There you go. Another cool thing is that you can get other extensions. So if you click there, you can add them. You can add as many as you want, but you can also add extensions. And by getting extensions, you can do stuff like the Amazon. Add as a panel, done. Easy peasy. Go back to your profile. And you can move them all. So this one hasn't been set up yet, but it's there now. So I don't want it to be right here. I don't want this one to be right there either. But I want to move it to maybe the end. So it's at the end. You can just basically grab them, drag them, and drop them to put them what order you want. After I activate it, you'll see. But there you go. And now it should be right here. When it's activated, it will be there. And all the other stuff can be dragged and dropped if you wanted it to be. You can also remove them very easily. So that's cool. But yeah, if you want to order it whatever way you do, I suggest maybe doing something very easy, very simple, like a rules to schedule. You don't even have to do every single social. You can do one and have the socials underneath in little URLs. So it's a little easier. You can make it more compact. I made mine a little difficult. But yeah, that is basically how you set up a proper thing. You want to make sure that you keep your theme and that everything else corresponds with it. From my logos to my panels to my banner, they all have something in common. It could be the colors, it could be the text, it could be anything really. So just make sure to keep it simple and keep it nice. Make sure you're creative with it too. You just want to let you know, make it all simple. Make it all something that you like and don't want to change every 10 days. the beginning, I changed it every day. Basically, wasn't happy. Now I'm very happy with the way my stuff is going. I've learned how to do things on Photoshop, and I've made it so that everything is looking good, just like it should. If you have any questions or concerns, make sure you follow me on my socials. You can come into my chat on Twitch. I don't mind. We can talk about it. I can even go and check out your channel. If you like content like this, just make sure you tell me in the comments below. Make sure you smash the like and hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell, guys. I can make more of these. Until next time, I'm Triple G, and you guys stay weird.